Hey Puzzle Besties! Welcome back to my channel, Hobbies Puzzle Odyssey. Alright guys, today we're going to be defying gravity with my Ravensburger Wicked puzzle. I'm so excited. Now, it's called Spellbinding, and I actually have quite a few Wicked puzzles. One I did last year, which was a circular one. I will link that video in the description. Then I have some by Buffalo Games. I will probably do casually. This one was more fitting since we're watching the movie. I'm excited. Let me know in the comments if you guys are watching Wicked. I was gonna go see it, but it was like sold out everywhere, and I'm like the worst. I don't book things in advance. So as soon as it calms down in the movie theaters, I'm gonna go watch it because I'm more of a low key person. I like to. I want to go when it's like not too many people. So I'm super excited though, guys. For this time lapse, I'm gonna be talking about why I love Wicked so much. And look at my shirt; it's cute. I have 3 Wicked shirts. I have another one that just says Wicked, and then I have one that has Fiyero. I love Fiyero, so I'm excited, guys. Let's get into the puzzle and let's get into why I love Wicked so much. All right, guys, I am so excited. I am finally doing the Wicked puzzle. I got this puzzle months ago, and I never got the opportunity to do it. Let's unbox it, but first, let's take a look at the beautiful packaging. Come on, guys, look at this packaging. Beautiful. Let's see what we got here so we can figure out what we're going to sort. We have pink. We have a lighter shade, a darker shade. We have this texture here. We have some Elphaba skin in different tones. Same here. And then we have some background pieces. So I think this is not going to be too bad looking at it all together. So, but yeah, here's the box. Pretty much your typical Ravensburger, just with some cool... Oh, wait a minute, guys. It says made in Oz. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's already made in Germany, but the name of the puzzle is Spellbinding. Now, I decided to go with this puzzle because I don't have the new ones yet, and they're on my Christmas wish list, so people are going to get it for me, so I don't want to do that, but we'll get into it. But we'll take a look at the pieces really quick and see what's popping off here. You know, I like to reuse my bags. I try to cut them as nice as possible. You know, it's gonna have puzzle dust, so. Alright, look at that. Look at these pieces. So I feel like this is gonna be easy to sort. The border's gonna be hard because, yeah. So I'll go ahead and get this sorted, and we will get into a voiceover, and I mean, of course, we're gonna talk about Wicked. All right, quick little check-in before I get started. The sorting was very difficult for me because I feel like everything was all over the place, but pinks, greens, miscellaneous, Jeff Goldblum, purples, shadowy background colors, black, frames of some sort, and then the edges. Guys, these edges are going to be the death of me. So how I tackle these edges, you'll see in the time lapse because I have to do the edge first. I love, it's so satisfying to see a puzzle come together with the edges being started first. But I shape sort these and then do process of elimination. I hate that. But let's go ahead and get started, guys. All right, besties. Today I am so excited to be putting this puzzle together. This Wicked puzzle by Ravensburger. While we're building it, we are going to talk about a little bit about the story that inspired it all and how I kind of relate to Wicked storyline. But before we get started, let me just say the edges were a disaster. Well, they weren't a disaster. I'm being a little dramatic. They were the most difficult part of this puzzle. They all look the same. And yes, I in turn did shape sorting and process of elimination, trying out pieces, looking for little tiny details that could match. It wasn't the worst. The edges alone took me about 2 hours. Yes, I know I could start without the edges, but I just like to start with the edges. I felt, for me, it's a personal thing. I feel more accomplished and more satisfaction when I see the puzzle getting filled in from the edges. I sorted everything into sections, colors, scenes, and then I just started plugging away. So it was a really easy puzzle to put together, but we are going to talk about Wicked. So for anyone who might not know, this isn't just a tale of the witches in Oz. It's a reimagined origin story of two iconic characters we thought we already knew: Glinda, the Good Witch, and Elphaba, the Wicked Witch of the West. It shows how they met long before Dorothy ever dropped into Oz. Two girls who start as complete opposites, somehow becoming the most unlikely of friends. No spoilers here, but it turns out there's a lot more to Wicked than meets the eye. I don't want to give you guys any spoilers, even though the first part's been out for almost a year now, and part 2 is in theaters. I'm going to keep it very basic because I know not everyone can watch Wicked right away. But what I love most about Wicked, that at its heart, it's a story about friendship, real friendship, the kind that changes who you are. Glinda and Elphaba challenge each other, support each other, and help each other grow in ways no one else could, even though they come from totally different worlds. And then there's Elphaba. Her journey is the one that truly resonates with me the most. She faces judgment, fear, and isolation simply because she's different, because she's green. By the way, guys, green is my favorite color. But despite every obstacle, she refuses to let the world define her worth. She uses her voice, stands up for others, and finds her own power, even when no one believes in her. You know, growing up as a Hispanic queer kid, definitely know what adversity can look like. People sometimes judge what they don't understand. And that is what makes Wicked so special to me. It reminds us that being different doesn't make you wrong. It makes you extraordinary. I love that story. Elphaba teaches us that sometimes the world will try to push you down, but that's exactly when you rise, when you defy gravity. Even if it means flying solo for a while. This puzzle captures all the spellbinding energy, the bold colors, the magic, the mystery of Wicked, and its pieces come together. It's kind of a reminder that our own stories are built piece by piece too. I definitely watch Wicked now, part 1, over 100 times. I might be exaggerating a little bit, but I watch it often, and it's just one of those movies I can put on and just kind of relax me. But I love both stories. Glinda Elphaba. I think a lot of people relate to her, not just with, one story. There's a story of oppression in this movie. There's a story of bullying. There's a story, of rising up, against all of the odds. So super relatable. I love this movie. And let me know in the comments, did you guys watch Wicked? I wish everyone at least watch it once. I know not everyone's a musical person. To be honest, I'm not a big musical person. I say that, but I think I am. Never mind, I am. But I don't sit down and just watch musicals. Like, it has to resonate with me for some reason. Like, I have to either like the music or the story. But it's well done. It's a well done movie. Cynthia Erivo, Ariana Grande, Jonathan Bailey. They all kill it. I enjoy it. I hope people get the opportunity to watch this movie. But let me know in the comments if you're a fan of Oz World. Do you like the Wicked stuff? I would love to hear about it. But I really enjoyed this puzzle, and I have part 2 versions of the puzzles in my wish list, and I know I'm gonna get them for Christmas. And then I have the other I will show you at the end. So I will see you at the end, guys, for final thoughts. right, guys, that is it for today. I enjoyed this puzzle, and I actually found it really easy to my surprise. I thought this puzzle was going to take a lot more time, and I did it pretty fast. I was super, super, super surprised. I enjoyed everything about it. I love Ravensburger. I love the packaging they did. I love the whole decoration. This is staying in my forever pile, and I will definitely do it again. As a matter of fact, I left the puzzle complete. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I love it. It wasn't challenging at all. I love all the sections with Elphaba and Glinda. We even got a little bit of Jeff Goldblum, the wizard, or Oz. Just the wizard. I don't know what I'm talking about. I love it. I wish, Fiera was in here. And I probably would have included more elements from the movie, but this is from part 1. The movie's broken up into 2 parts. It's one whole movie, but it's broken up into 2 parts because they're so long. But I watched Wicked probably 100 times now. And often when I have trouble going to bed, I listen to the Wicked soundtrack, and it helps me go to bed. So I love Wicked. But let me know in the comments, are you a Wicked fan? I'm pretty sure there's quite a few Wicked fans out there. And I saw Masterpieces had some Wicked puzzles. Ravensburger obviously makes them, and Buffalo has some really beautiful Wicked puzzles. Actually, you know what? I'll go ahead and grab them really quick and show you. I did this one already I did it for an Instagram reel. So if you guys want to see this one, go check it out on IG. If I have pictures in my phone still, I will link it. I will put it up in this video. I recently did this one, which I will share a photo of. This one was pretty fun by Buffalo Games. And then I have a 1,000 piece Wicked puzzle from Buffalo. This one is super cute. I was debating on which Wicked puzzle to do for this video, and I went with the Ravensburger one because I haven't did a Ravensburger puzzle in a while, and I really wanted to do this one. But let me know in the comments if you guys would want to see this one done. I really like this image too, and I feel like it'll be easy as well because it's in sections. But I'll show you again. But that is it for today's video, guys. If I'm reviewing the puzzle, 10 out of 10. Love Ravensburger. I love the image. I have 2 more Wicked puzzles on my Christmas wish list. So I got my fingers crossed, and I'm pretty sure I got them because, who wouldn't? But I love it. My favorite Wicked song is Defying Gravity. If you have a favorite Wicked song, drop it in the comments. Also, let me know if you're a Wicked fan and why. I shared in my time lapse why I love Wicked so much. It's so relatable. And you can just tell with the fan base for Wicked how relatable it is and how inspiring it is. So, I hope you all have had a wonderful holiday, Thanksgiving if you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, I hope you had a wonderful day. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.